In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Microsoft Teams. Clearing the cache in Microsoft Teams is a valuable troubleshooting step that can resolve a variety of common issues, such as slow performance, persistent login problems, or even display glitches within the application. Over time, cache data can become corrupted or outdated, leading to these types of problems. By following these straightforward steps, you can refresh your Teams experience and get it running smoothly again without needing to reinstall the entire application. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your PC's settings. The easiest way to do this is by clicking on the Start button, typically found in the bottom left corner of your screen, then selecting the gear-shaped Settings icon from the menu. Alternatively, you can type Settings into the Windows search bar and open it directly from the search results. This will open the main Windows Settings window, where you can manage various aspects of your computer's configuration and installed applications. Once you're in the Windows Settings window, your next step is to locate and click on the Apps category. This section is dedicated to managing all the applications installed on your computer, allowing you to view, modify, and uninstall them. It's usually represented by an icon featuring a grid of small squares or a collection of different app icons. Clicking on Apps will take you to a new page where you'll find several subsections related to app management. From the Apps section, proceed by clicking on Installed Apps. This specific subsection will display a comprehensive list of all the software programs currently installed on your PC. It's where you'll find applications downloaded from the Microsoft Store, as well as traditional desktop programs. Having this organized list makes it simple to find the particular application you need to manage, which in this case is Microsoft Teams. You'll notice a search bar and sorting options here to help you navigate efficiently. To quickly locate Microsoft Teams within your long list of installed applications, utilize the search bar provided. Simply type Teams into the search field. As you type, the list of applications will filter in real time, narrowing down the results until Microsoft Teams appears clearly on your screen. This saves you the trouble of scrolling through potentially hundreds of apps, making the process much faster and more efficient. Once you've identified Microsoft Teams in the filtered list, look for a small icon with 3 horizontal or vertical dots located next to its name. This icon is a universal symbol for More Options or a contextual menu. Click on these 3 dots. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices related to managing the Microsoft Teams application. It provides quick access to various functions without having to delve deep into system files. Within the drop-down menu that appeared after clicking the 3 dots, you'll find an option labeled Advanced Options. Click on this. The Advanced Options section is where you can find specific settings and utilities tailored for individual applications, including options for managing storage, permissions, and crucially for our purpose today, resetting the application. It's designed to give users more control over how their apps function without impacting other software. Finally, within the advanced options for Microsoft Teams, scroll down until you see the Reset section. Here, you'll find a Reset button. Go ahead and click this button. When you choose to reset an application, it effectively clears all its cached data, login information, and user-specific settings, restoring it to its initial default state, almost as if you just installed it. This action often resolves many performance issues by eliminating any corrupted or stale cache files that might be causing problems. After clicking Reset, you may need to sign back into Teams. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully cleared the cache for Microsoft Teams, which should help resolve any performance issues or glitches you were experiencing. This process ensures that your application starts fresh, utilizing the most current data and improving overall stability and responsiveness. We hope this guide was clear and helpful. Thank you for watching.